The European Parliament and the European Film Academy celebrate filmmakers bringing European stories to our screens. And we need you to get involved by becoming part of Europe's biggest film jury ever. The new LUX Audience Award champions inspiring films that reflect the beauty and diversity of European cinema. For the first time, the public, together with members of the European Parliament, will choose the winner. 3 films have been nominated.
Der findes en norsk filosof. Han mener, at mennesket er født med en halv promille for lidt.
In another round, Danish filmmaker Thomas Vinterberga teams up with actor Mads Mikkelsen. 4 jaded high school teachers try out a boozy experiment, but it soon goes off the rails.
Bombă biologică în spitalele românești, dezinfectanții folosiți în mii de săli de operație sunt de fapt apă de ploaie.
In 2015, a fire in a Bucharest nightclub led to the death of 64 people. Kolektiv focuses on journalists whose investigation into the fire exposes rampant corruption in the healthcare sector.
Kiedy Bóg do nas mówi, czasami zdarza mi się popełnić jakiś grzech, jakieś zło. Czasami myślimy, że niemożliwe, żeby Bóg tak chciał.
The blistering moral drama Corpus Christi follows Daniel, an ex-convict who finds himself filling in as the local priest in a small Polish town. His unconventional methods help his parishioners. The 3 films will be subtitled in the 24 official EU languages and screened across Europe until May 2021. The winner will be announced in a plenary ceremony in the European Parliament. The LUX Audience Award supports the circulation of European films, enabling thousands of film lovers to see the very best of European cinema.